This 2023 Grand Design Solitude S-Class 3740BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 40 feet 4 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 10, microwave, spare tire kit, external shower, leveling jacks, water heater, auxiliary battery, TV, stove top burner, awning, oven, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Solitude S-Class 3740BH is 13,884 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.